These are all experiments you can do with the candy. Start with our bottle of Sprite. I'm just using this carbonated beverage, so it goes into the glass here like this.
Okay.
So we need some of this. And you'll also notice sitting in front of you is what?
The favorite little, the hearts that with the little messages on them.
Yes. So it talks about relationships, correct?
Right.
So what I want you to do is, I think that this is probably pretty good. Go ahead and drop a bunch of those in here. So go ahead and drop them in.
I got a hug me.
Good.
Okay.
Did you get a hug me? Good.
Kiss
Oh, that's
me.
perfect.
Oh,
Good.
like, okay.
Now watch what happens. They're going to want to watch from the front here. Notice how the carbonation will pick these little guys up. They pick them up and they'll throw them to the top, and then they'll come back down again. And they'll sit there and they'll rotate. So they're going to dance in there
It's
over
like
a while.
weightlessness.
Isn't that nice? So the carbon dioxide hooks onto them, goes to the top, bursts, and works its way back down again. The ups and downs of a relationship. How do you like that? Is that pretty good? Thank you.
Ka-ching.
Be here
That was
all
good.
week. Be sure to tip your waitress. Isn't that fun? Dancing hearts, easy to do. Nice way to teach carbon dioxide. No more of this. You're going to need water. So I've got a plate that's over here, and you're just going to put some water into the plate like this. And then we're using the famous gobstoppers. Yeah. Okay? So take some gobstoppers, and if you just kind of put them in here like this. The cool thing about gobstoppers is that they're going to dissolve pretty quickly, and so it'll happen very, very quickly. So here, watch what happens. See how the dye is already starting to come off?
Very quickly.
So the dye comes off, and if you let it sit there for 2 or 3 minutes, pan over to this one right here. Take a look at this absolutely cool design. You really get to see the little eyeballs. So you see how it starts here and works its way around. That kind of is cool.
That's very cool. And I love
nice
the
way to be able to do
psychedelic
it.
colors all around.
Exactly, and they'll go, and look, you look at your hearts, they're going up and down, the
still dancing.
gobstoppers, and
Somebody
you're
got their
thinking,
heart broken.
Steve, stop, this is too good.
No,
But then
because
you
my
go.
favorite M&Ms.
So now we have M&Ms, and who doesn't love an M&M? And believe it or not, the little M that's on an M&M can come off. So here's what you do. You take a plate, and you fill the plate or this little dish with water here, and if you look carefully, and the camera kind of comes down, all I did was drop them in, and it took about 3 or 4 minutes, but look, you're pulling off the letters right there. So if you can focus on the very surface, the little M will come off and float to the surface. Maybe hard to see, but online I put a really, really good picture of it just kind of floating up to the top, and so literally the little M will lift off, and it dissolves, and it goes right to the top.
Okay. Are we out of time? Darn it.
No, we're not. Here,
Okay.
open up your mouth. Ready?
Oh, okay.
Open your mouth. Right
Okay,
now.
wait.
Open your mouth. Open
Oh,
your mouth.
no.
Oh, open your mouth.
No, we're out of time.
Open your mouth. See, those are Pop Rocks. Aren't they great? And so now if you take Pop Rocks and you put them in a container like this, now we can see the carbonation that's in this. And look at this. These are Pop Rocks infused with carbon dioxide. Is this great?